The Genome Discovery and Exploration course is designed to engage students in a research experience at the earliest possible time during their academic experience.
If I was a student, I would like to take this course because it is discovering things that are new. We learn a lot of things as we read in books. We reproduce a lot of experiments that others have done when we go into labs. But this is a lab where what you discover no one has ever seen before. The first time you look at your bacteriophage under the electron microscope, you are seeing it for the first time. Nobody has ever seen that before.
So the aspects or the actual research project involves students going out into the environment. This means they will go out into the soil or water sources. They get to make this choice. They bring back this sample to the laboratory and they start this process of trying to isolate a virus from the soil. Now the particular virus we're looking for infects a bacteria, and the bacterial host we use is called Mycobacterium smegmatis. So the idea is to allow them to isolate or decide upon which source they want to try and isolate this virus, bring that into the lab, isolate the virus, purify it, characterize it by a number of different means, which includes isolating its DNA, characterizing the DNA by a variety of techniques such as DNA restriction analysis and gel electrophoresis, and ultimately looking at the structure of the virus using electron microscopy. So they get an experience from discovery all the way through characterizing that particular virus.
This course has definitely provided a foundation, and even more on top of that foundation, of research. For example, I'm going to do cancer biology research this summer in Newport, and Genome has definitely allowed myself to become familiarized with the laboratory techniques, reviews of scientific literature, writing papers, all of which I'm going to have to do in Northern Kentucky this summer. So it's definitely provided that framework for conceptual understanding. So I'm on track, and I'll be knowledgeable about what I'm doing in the future.
This class really stands out from all of my other classes because it's a very hands-on, interactive, research-based class. So it's not, here's a textbook, learn from it. It's self-paced. You have to work through the book at your own pace, and your work is your own. It's very nice. It's not something that someone else has set up for you. And you get your name on a new piece of research.
Well, it's given me a whole lot of experience, I know that, and it's shown me that there's a lot of cool things that I can do. It's like cool stuff is not just for this person who lives way over here, or this person who was born into a millionaire family, or this person who just happened to fall into the right place at the right time. It's like anybody can do something cool if you just are a little bit persistent and looking around for cool stuff to do. Anybody can do this.
There's lots of opportunities for research beyond this course. And so this is a way of launching into exploring those types of discovery at the wonderful things that are out there to be asked still. There's still many questions that haven't been asked. And that's what we encourage students to try to do.
I hope that other students take advantage of this opportunity. We do encourage students at the freshman and sophomore levels. This course is primarily designed for those students to capture them early in their academic experience so that they may take advantage of additional experiences as they progress, and then perhaps go on to graduate school or professional school and use this experience to build upon that.
This life should not just be go to school and then you're done. It should be a lifetime discovery.